Everyone, it's Joanne. So I was really amazed that I was able to find this perfect K-Cup holder drawer that matched my coffee corner so well. It's really stylish, but it's functional. It's got a great storage drawer that keeps my coffee pods organized and easy to access. It's compact and it sits wonderfully under our Keurig coffee machine. It holds up to 30 K-Cup pods, so my coffee is neatly arranged and within easy reach, and it helps save counter space. So it adds a decorative style to the coffee station corner that we have. Now this is about 13.75 inches deep, about 12 inches wide, and about 3.75 inches high. The drawer slides in so smoothly, in and out easily, so I can easily take my pods out or reload when I get low. So it's really effortless and one of my favorite finds. So I chose the Rustic Brown top. It's the wood top with the black drawer and metal wood or metal drawers. But there's other options available. You can get a black with a glass top or a black with a metal top. And then also one more is a chrome with a glass top. I love the coloring on this. I love that it just blends right in. I really love mine. It makes it easy, makes it effortless. I get my coffee easily, quickly. I love mine.